Hi everyone, this is Asma with another light influx transmission. Before I recorded this transmission, I connected with my star family from Arcturus. They sang me a lovely song and I'm really just enjoying the high energies right now that are surrounding me. I hope you can feel it in this next transmission, that you can feel the energies, that they will come through the screen and touch your heart. For the people who are tuning in for the first time, I will first tell you what a light influx is. A light influx is a short channel transmission in light language, which brings a huge influx of light energies to your energetic system, and through your body, this influx will also be integrated in Mother Earth. So by listening to this transmission, you don't only serve yourself, you also serve the Earth. And what a beautiful thing that is. So if you would like to receive this light influx, please keep on listening. Sit back, relax, drop your attention to your heart. Make a connection with Gaia. Take a deep breath. Connect with the starlight portal you see on the screen and enjoy the energies you are about to receive. Kodronjandori mahi andore ando mugdaria yandi mugdaria yaho Tuk darukati kanturani makturaku yantuku ramia kurantu yanuk takturu mania kuia miatura mugdaruki anduri mayu hardumania tukariatu rumdano yan kiyane tuktamia kurtuma hukurtumia tukurtumukutu tuktuktu tatikamu hartiki Andumariaku tanu randiaku rumu hukutu rumu yunu ramiaku pu Rahumadiando ramahi rumdanita artuyando hakurayi somdakurayanu darti Okdamora akdo eya o harti miatoramu Zomarianu taktura mihatu Ramdo yao Rumdahi katurami Rumdazaniyahi Zayanu ramdi Hakurami taruha Rumdanya Rumdanya ho Kurdumikando yani hardami ayandukara ramdo yani tari hikantukira kiatura Thank you very much for tuning in to this light influx transmission by Starlight Guidance. If you like this video and you would like to receive a notification whenever I've posted a new one, please subscribe to my channel and you will be the first to know. I hope you have enjoyed the energies. Take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day. I'm sending you lots of love from the Netherlands, and I hope you will join me for another light influx transmission very soon.